Alright, this is our room. It's so nice.
We're just waiting to drive.
Ooh.
Hey guys, welcome to Fun Warehouse's Fun.
It's going slow. It's going slow. Oh no. Okay, guys.
I get it right off. We all grab these ones. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, bon
The sky wheel.
Alright, we're going inside. Inside. Where? The other side, there. On that way, we're going to go outside. Okay. Alright. Woohoo! Yep. The Stroud family. Woohoo! I'm excited. Alright, that's it. It is really fun and thrilling, guys. Oh, it's so cool, so cool. And it's still windy. Let's go to the mall and then walk around. And then buy some, souvenir. Let's go. It's really cold outside. We are going to swim. Have a swim. Ramen, and we're going to eat our noodles. I got a beef noodle soup, and they got the ABC soup. It means that they have the roast. What is that? Roast. We have the pork, beef, and the chicken.
And then you can
And the kids has the dumpling, and the other one has the noodles. Enjoy the food. And it's really good. Wow. It tastes really good. Really good. Good choice.
What do you think?
It is really good. Look at that. The soup is almost gone. Look at that.
I would say it's really good.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really good. And now we're going to go to the hotel and eat the dessert. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, wish again. Yay! Thank you. Ay, kinis ako ni Lola sa charot. Sa ulo eh. Kailangan lips, charot. Thank you. Yes. Yay! Thank you. Alright, this is our room here at Myrtle Beach with a Holiday Inn. We are staying here at Holiday Inn. We have this fireplace, we have TV, nice decorations. Morning, Sandra. Wait, check. That's our room. Our bathroom. Kitchen, it looks like a house.
Been banging up the
It's really
pork
good.
chop, and then we eat the pho. We just need a fork to cut
I
this
don't know
up.
that the deluxe is so big. Sometimes in the restaurant. Oh, thank you. Wow. Sometimes in the other restaurants, they say deluxe, but it's so small. You know?
Daniel, which one do you want to try?
Oh, okay, that's good.
Just sit down and let me
Trying
know.
to finish this one.
You want chicken?
Oh, this one too? Oh, I thought it's yours.
Oh,
You can put it.
yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Is this yours? No. Right?
We already have one there.
Mm.
You want some chicken? Okay.
Mine. Alright, bon appetit. I like this jalapeno.
The favorite thing about traveling is to eat at different restaurants.
And try their specialties in their town. Ano to? It's like a basil, Vietnamese basil or Asian basil. And ano to? Longa sprouts.
Really want to dive Can you have more chicken? Can you have more chicken?
It's really tasty.
Here are.
It's already done. It's really good. The soup is really yummy, and you know it really tastes really authentic.
Not major,
Finished
not like in a
everything.
major way, but it was having like extra
All this Pho Claire. We are here at the Boardwalk, and we just went to Hard Rock Cafe. I bought something. I bought a shirt and a blanket. Going to see what are the things around here. Oh, there. You see that? It's upside down building.
Leave your penny in the water.
Yeah, you see the penny?
Real. Then he's in the water. I tell you.
We're gonna miss you.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Huh? A little fish? Oh, they have a fish. Look at that. It's
Oh, that's why.
too much. Wow. So many tilapias there. So big. Sugar time, you know what you want. Let's go. Sugar in your body. Huh. What are we looking at here?
I'm going to pair this one.
You want that? So I found the bazooka. I found this bazooka. I was, you know, just chewing a bazooka when I was a kid. It's sugar. They have like a lot of store.
Mama, I'm gonna put my diamond here.
Let me see that. Wow. We have a 1 year supply of gum.
Try one.
Oh, 1 year. What do you have, Ethan?
Cotton candy.
Candy. Cotton candy. What about you, Daniel?
No more.
Oh, Razzle. And also 1 year of supply of gummies.
Give me that, Mama. Give me that.
Yes, you can have, of course.
Lang first. There's a lot of toilets here at Myrtle Beach. Okay, we're going back home, guys. See you next time. This is our adventure with Stroud family. Saan na yung kids? So, ayan.
Say see
Try
you.
one of this.
See you!
See you this summer. We're
Hey,
gonna
try
come
one
spend
of this.
some time.
Yay! So, we hope we can spend time with you guys again.
Yes.
Hope to spend time with you guys again.
I hope so.
So we need to plan 6 months ahead or 3 months ahead.
Maybe 6 months.
Alright,